nicest lady. Excuse me. To go into the heart of the city, you live here, right?
Yeah. You want to go to Splendor?
To city, in the city.
Yeah. Go to Splendor. You cross and wait there.
You catch a train?
If you want to go to city, catch number 3, 16, 74, 76.
Got it?
64 or 66.
64, 66.
Or number 3.
Okay.
Yeah.
And but where do I pay for ticket?
Where is your Mikey card? Like this.
Like a credit card?
Mikey.
No, I don't have that. I'm not. We don't live here. We live somewhere else. In other state. We live from other states.
You have to buy this one from station.
From where?
Station.
Oh, how do I go?
You go to Flinders Street, but because you from here, you should catch taxi. Because there's no station here. And or you can buy from
7-Eleven?
7-Eleven.
Okay.
The nearest, just ask what 7-Eleven nearest here.
Oh,
Yeah, because I don't live here, I live in other suburb.
So number 3, 16, 74,
64,
64,
67.
67. Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time. Nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah. To be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah. Come over here, so I know you love my accent.
That street straight ahead there is like literally on both sides, it's full of graffitis. You know, so from watching YouTube before we come here, we saw a video of that street with like heaps of people take photos there and all that. Looks good for a music video as well, so possibly we might go over there. You know, the walls are full of graffiti, but the buildings are really beautiful, as you guys can see. Yeah, man, so yeah, Melbourne is a vibe. I really love it.
Amazing.
Yeah, so this is the street that we're telling you guys about. To stop violence. So on both sides is graffiti. It's amazing. This is like a popular place, everybody comes. Huh? You see?
I'm not sure. Oh wow.
Yeah, mad. It's crazy, yo. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Wow. Look. I thought it was just right here, all the way there.
All the way. Famous. Wow.
This place is like,
This is
what you call it, photogenic.
Yeah.
Good for music videos too and all that.
Arts, man.
Wow. The whole street, man. That's mad. Wow, guys, all the way up there. You can see.
This is nice, guys.
Yeah. Never seen anything like this, yo. Mad.
Jesus is love. Jesus is love. Jesus is love.
Try to capture as much as I can to show you guys. Even the bins, like everything. Everything is all painted. What they do here? Yeah. Sick.
Even have a clothing store. Culture Kings.
Oh,
Nice clothing there, guys.
yeah. Feel like one of the thumbnails should have been like me taking a picture of these. But if someone could take it for us.
Nice
Yeah.
lady, she's coming up. We're about just
so many.
Yeah, good milk morning, sis. Yeah. I don't have anything on me at the moment. I don't have any cash on me. Otherwise I'd give her some.
Yeah. Look at these designs.
This is her kind of style.
Yeah. That's crazy. What people wear, like, look at these guys.
Vintage clothing. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Oh my gosh.
Capture everything.
Yeah. Wow, what do they do there? Crepes and that. Sushi. All them sushi lovers. It's crazy. Yeah. Should go get some. I think I might go get some dosh and coins and just pass by, you know? Yeah, that's a good idea. Where's the ATM? Up here somewhere, hopefully. Wow, orange place, like orange juice and things. Tropicana. Everything is orange, that's crazy. Besides the weather, like we said, we're not gonna let us get down. Oh yeah, you can. You wanna get one? Go grab one.
It's hard to steer sometimes.
You gotta, yeah, lift it with your foot. Hey.
Get the big one or the small one?
Huh? Whichever, doesn't matter. Yeah. Can you take cash out here? No? Okay. Where's, oh, we'll just walk. We'll find an ATM. How much are they? 20. Wow. Hey, Island. Stop. What a crappy one. 20 bucks for an umbrella, guys. You can get one came up for like 5. Muchas gracias. Speak Spanish. Yeah, I could tell. I'm not stupid, I know he speaks my language. That's
Like
why
you
when I
don't
said,
wanna talk.
yeah, no, but when I said muchas gracias, he looked and got shocked.
Yeah.
You see it, guys?
Push him.
Yeah. Yeah, that's why I want to go. Oh, here, there's one here. Oh, maybe up further, babe. There's the Commonwealth. Wow. We're in the strip, babes. Collins Street, yeah. Just keep a distance from people. The designs on this street are amazing. Wow, look, chocolate place. Coco. Coco Black.
Yeah. Cocoa
Ooh, look at that, guys. Oh my gosh. Hang on. I've got to go in and do a little video for the people them, you know? It's Coco Black. Oh, I'm not going to get anything. I just want to do a video. Wow, look at these guys. Coco Black. Oh, beautiful. So you get to choose what you want in your box. Lovely. Hi, how you going? Good. All right, we'll probably come back a little bit later when it's not so busy. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of that Cocoa Black. Oh, look, they do Cocoa Black coffee. Cocoa. Nice. Oh, shit. Talk about unstable flooring. Wow, look at this building, babe.
Really ancient.
This is like a movie cinema.
These are like
or something.
European type buildings.
It's influenced by a whole heap, but mostly European. Yeah. Oh, but we can get a haircut.
Yeah.
Yeah. Get him a little haircut, guys. His hair's getting too big. I don't even know what that is. We're gonna have to walk past there. Ooh, they give me like that. It's a bit more better here. Like we got shelter.
Yeah.
Oh Lord. Jumpers. Oh wow, what is this? Hang on.
It's like a virtual thing. Oh, it's just like some kind of virtual thing.
What is it?
Metro tunnel.
Oh, virtual reality.
Oh, so they basically kind of get to the city or something.
Yeah, I don't know. That's crazy. Alright, let's go. Oh, yum! I smell coffee.
Smell everything.
Every single
That-
thing.
even the
Food.
freaking
Oh wow, look at that. Okay, that's for drunk people.
Oh,
That's where you're walking.
really?
Fall down.
Oh, that church is really nice. Oh, it's old people.
What the hell?
What?
Like retro style.
What do you mean retro?
When I do that.
I'm not.
Are you in that, baby? Like,
No,
okay,
I don't
not
even,
even
I don't
Dr.
even know.
Martens.
I don't even know what this is about.
Wow. Oh my gosh, like a Dr. Martens store.
This one here.
Ugg boots, yeah, we need warm boots. Wow. I like this style though, wow. Wicked.
That's
Did
really
you see that?
interesting.
Did you see the style? That was so cool.
That was not cool.
That was like unique as unique. You'll see our facials, guys. You'll notice something's like funny. Ooh, check out the pizza, guys. Nice. This guy.
An African here, guys.
Good job.
Thank you again.
Good job. I just said no. You should put the camera on me, not him. Because he was like,
Wow.
wow, guys, this must light up at night time.
Yeah, you can tell.
Oh, this is beautiful.
Smoke nice.
Oh gosh, the bird's gonna poo on me. I have bad luck with these birds.
These places will take your money now, guys. Everything catch your eye quick.
Yeah. You get that?
Nice suitcase.
Sure.
Yeah. Look at these little ones, like the little. Smart. Look at this guy, babe. Is that style of dressing you're talking about? That's the kind of dressing you're talking about.
Gosh.
Ozzy's just different, guys.
If this doesn't, if this. You just let me know when you're want to try African food today, guys, and we're going to make it happen because that's what we've been wanting to do for a while.
Yeah,
So
we did want to go to the Jamaican restaurant, but I think it's closed. Is it?
yeah, it's closed.
Yeah, it's closed.
Actually, I'm not
we
sure
could still
about the...
Google and see if we
Yeah. We will Google it and see.
Yeah.
But for now, we're just doing a walkthrough.
Yeah, man.
Oh baby, that's Chinatown there. Oh my gosh, we're gonna have to go through there, guys, as well. Chinatown, just on our right over there. And these guys have wing and
I
beer.
think we're still
Chong.
We're actually there.
Oh my gosh.
That's right there.
Read that up there. Smutty mind. Dad, smutty mind, Dad.
I didn't say it.
Oh, so this must be like all the Chinese restaurants and thing. Wow. Thai street food. Huh? Yeah, I gotta get something. Oh,
No, I'm saying.
oh yeah. Thai. Wow. I don't know, but that's weird.
That's right on.
Oh, duck. For all the duck lovers, guys.
That's alright.
Oh, what, you never seen that before? A true
only best ever food show review, watch them type of thing up and like the way them do them meat and all of them stuff there.
Yeah.
And that fun.
Yeah, so that's duck. I don't know what that is.
Chinese food, guys. Would you try? Not me.
Alright. Yeah, not me either. I think I'll stick to Macca's. Oh, Indonesian cuisine from Indonesia. You were in Indonesia, well, Singapore.
Nobody knows.
Dumplings plus. Juicy dumpling and noodle house. Alright, 7-Eleven over there.
What's 7-Eleven exactly?
It's like a store, convenience store. You can get everything. And so, they used to have like petrol and stuff. Wow. I hope that picked up. I hope that picked up. You know that's a cover for shelter for him?
Oh, I forgot about that.
Alright, I want to go in here and grab something for change.
Where?
Yeah, you can stay out here if you want. I don't know if you've ever eaten this before, but this is quite new to me. I've never seen anything like this. Wow. That is so wicked. Chicken hearts, Dave. Chicken hearts. Chicken ribs.
Shit.
Alright, let's go. Alright, go baby, you're gonna... Oh no, I don't know. I don't know now, I'm confused. He looked like it, but I think he was promoting like Christ. So guys, I've come past a baked cheese tart place, and for all those people that love all food. Foodie booty. Do you want to try anything? I'm not really hungry right
Not
now.
really.
I'm so full from breakfast. We had such a big breakfast this morning. I feel like if I buy something now, it's just gonna make me feel really like over full, and I don't want to feel that way. So we'll just go with the flow, and if we come back, we'll come back and try it on an empty stomach tomorrow or whatever. Yeah, so that's just the way it is. And so we've come past I'm not sure what this is, a QV Melbourne Open Arcade. Also, it's an arcade sort of thing. Cool. We'll keep walking up and then see what else is around the block.
Yeah.
And then we'll come back around through the main street, through to Chinatown, yeah?
Yeah.
That sounds like a good idea. Let's go, Island! Yay! When we get home, you can warm up, Bobo.
Asian steak over everywhere.
Mm-hmm.
That they even have a Chinatown.
Definitely, yeah.
Everywhere it seems.
100%. Wow, I've never seen that before. That's interesting.
At Papa Rich.
We're gonna go that way?
Yeah, Papa Rich over here.
Oh, what is that? Malaysian Delights. Babe, you were in Malaysia, you never got to try.
No, it was
you got on the
Cambodia.
plane though?
Yeah, transition, but transit.
Sushi.
Transit. Yeah.
Wow. Women's Centre. The wind's cold. Bob was falling asleep.
People coming around corner. Babe, look.
Old
The red
Beijing.
man.
Oh God.
He's looking straight at you. Look at that one. He's looking at you too.
Wow. If you're into this different foods, guys.
Yeah, it's therefore right. Comment down below, guys. Do you guys love Asian food? And if so, what kind of Asian food is it?
Me, Thai.
Vietnamese?
Me, Thai.
Is it Thailand? Is it Chinese? What do you guys like?
Singaporean, Malaysian, which is the
Philippine.
Filipino.
Yeah. What you go for? What you go to?
Exactly. And then they've got fresh tea. Do you want to try tea? Oh, they don't make it here. You buy the tea. I thought they made it.
Yeah.
Oh, what is that? It's a Thai grocery market. Wow. Nice. You sell Thai food stuff like...
Yeah. Are those bicycles?
Oh, yeah.
Ear salon. Let's do it ear Asian style. Where to go?
We'll go up there and come back around, no? Wow. All these streets. Such a big city, so much to see.
Actually, even though we never really get
Go that way.
to walk Sydney much, but I kind of like the vibe here. Seems a bit different. I don't know. You like Sydney more or Safari? What do you think about it?
Melbourne. I like Melbourne too.
Yeah.
I like Sydney too.
So far it's nice. As
It's nice.
As I said, I never really get to walk Sydney.
Yeah.
So I can't
Yeah,
really
because
say.
the rain was so bad.
Exactly.
It's like everywhere we go, guys, we get the rain.
Yeah. So me still can't put down Sydney because I never really walk the street. But yeah, I like the vibe in Melbourne so far.
Future sex.
What?
Wow. What is it about?
Oh, it's actually bringing us back to on the top floor here.
Oh, wow. So we'll have to go to the bottom. Go this way, baby. Sanitizer.
Oh yeah. Yeah, so we're just in a shopping center. We're actually exiting now. It's massive though. Yeah. So I don't know if you guys see as well, but we pass heaps of Africans as well. You know. So hopefully get to interact with one or two
Yeah.
while we're here or so. Because there's a big population of Africans out here as well.
It's raining pretty bad out there. It's not like
Yeah, it's bad now. Wow. Yeah, it's just constant rain, man. Yeah, true.
Babe, look at me, babe.
Ooh. Yeah, if you skip through water and all that, guys.
Go, baby, if you can. Go.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah, an African guy here, guys. You can tell that he's mentally ill. Yeah, it's sad, you know. Sad. Yeah. Before you came, exactly. Yeah.
It's sad because that's what happens.
Yeah. Coco. Coco.
Comelon.
Is that you?
Is that you, Coco?
It's not Coco Melon though.
Supposed to walk on the same side, but I think I'm going to myself.
Oh really? Whoa, look at that. I like skyscraper building kind of thing.
Yeah.
Design. Super sale. What the frick? Oh. Yeah, that seems still coming down.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Shame, guys, but it's reality.
Yeah.
I wanted to go give that guy some points there, but
Oh.
you know, the one that kind of looked at us with sad puppy eyes.
Yeah.
Didn't even press the button. Oh, we're going to go for a Chinatown.
Where is that again? Right there. Let's go.
There's no undercover, eh?
Not really. What do you want to do?
Let's go. We'll go to the art gallery.
Okay.
Sure.
Yeah.
Unless we're going to try food in that in there.
Nah, I'm not interested. These homeless people.
Put it in the hat, babes. Club X.
So that's a,
Adult Centre.
what? What is that exactly?
What do you think? Club X.
I don't know, like dancing.
Yeah.
Like dancing
That
club.
and also pleasure.
Oh really?
I don't know. I've never been into one. I've only been to a strip club. Like,
Really? When was that?
long time ago. You want to go to one? We'll go to one together.
Imagine that. Imagine that.
Yeah. Jesus is the reason. Oh. Mr. Chin didn't care. Did you see that? Mr. Chin didn't care.
I guess they're accepting it in the hat. But that was an African and an Asian.
Yeah.
Two brethren, I guess.
Yeah, the two brethren. Whoa, what the hell? That was a chispa. Babe, stop.
Yeah.
Something going over there, look.
Where?
Up there.
Oh yeah.
Maybe we can go, puppy. Let's go, baby. No car coming. No tram. I know. That just fell. So guys, this is really random, but I just realized that these actually turn red to say stop. Yeah. And then when it goes, it will go, did you press the button?
Yeah, I did.
And it will go green. So for those people that, it's worldwide, I think.
Yeah, there you go.
So, I mean, in some parts they don't have these kind of lights like flashing like that. I've never seen it like this, but in general I'm saying green, red is worldwide. Green means go, red means stop.
Baby, I want to buy you a flower.
No. Really? What are you gonna get me? Oh my gosh. But then baby, how am I gonna travel with it?
Oh, you're going to? You don't want?
No.
I don't know.
How am I gonna travel with it?
Oh well, I guess.
Where are we gonna put it? We've got all these other stuff.
Yeah,
oh, that's such a sweet Destiny. Give me a kiss though. This stone was laid by da 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 da. We should go in there and look for information, visit a hub. Let's go have a look.
Oh shit, I thought that was a real dog.
Oh my gosh. They thought that was a real dog, guys. Like the heck? He would have already attacked the shit out of us. Like
the other day when I
literally.
went fishing like that, freaking dog running for that.
Let's go have a look at the visitors hub.
Dog or a pig? No, I'm looking
Not
like,
sure.
it looks weird. In here?
Yeah, in here. Oh. Hi, how you going? Good. We're just visiting. It's our first time in Melbourne.
Melbourne weather. Where are you from?
Casino in New South Wales. So
lovely.
where the floods Lismore hit.
Yeah.
Around there. But luckily we've
Got
been.
more wet here, but not too
Yeah,
bad.
yeah, I know. It's like everywhere we go, we get rain.
Yeah, it is.
So we just came to visit and see, and I just seen the information hub, so I'm like, oh, get some info.
Well, I mean, firstly,
I'm just letting you know I'm filming, so I hope you don't mind. We don't have to put you in the camera.
No, don't. Are you staying in the city?
Yeah.
Okay, so someone must have explained about the free trams to you?
Free trams?
Yeah.
No.
Oh. Well, you can take this map, or I can give you a big one, but basically, this is where you are now.
Alright guys, so we're back in the street again. Got some information and thing like where to go and to where to get African food and
Yeah, all of that. So we just needed to have a bit of info
or to
of
move
what we're
around.
doing, yeah, for real, because we weren't sure.
Yeah.
You know, her hair's wicked, by the way.
Yeah. Yeah man,
Yeah,
so we're here.
we're just gonna continue our little walk back to the station area.
Yep.
And then we're gonna probably go for a swim in our hotel.
Yeah.
I don't know, whatever. I'm not really fussed, you know what I mean?
Yeah. You wanna push him or hold it? So I'm not sure. Come down.
Puppy?
Yeah.
And Bubble's alright. Look at this, guys. It's alright. He's falling asleep. Oh, over there, that's that young guy.
As you guys can see, it's really busy right now, like people are crazy. Yeah. Lots of people out here homeless, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So we're back to this street where we kind of got dropped off. Yeah, where we started.
Hey, brother.
Yeah, so, yeah. But it looks more busier than earlier to me.
Yeah, it does actually. This must be like looks like an Irish pub in a sense.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, like Prince Bridge Hotel.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
Operations Airport, John.
Wow, this must be like the city.
Oh, look at that building.
Wow.
Here we are.
Hi guys.
These are the straight raw uncut video, guys. Yeah.
Walk through Melbourne.
Hey.
Walk through Melbourne.
Yeah, you know.
You might need to catch a train, so let's have a look.
Yeah.
First time on a train for you.
Yeah.
Being on a tram.
Similar, I guess.
Yeah.
But yeah, for the train that would be a different experience
So
there.
we'll find out up here where we have to go.
Yeah.
Sorry, we don't live here. We don't live here. No.
What?
So?
Something about that's not good or whatever.
Oh well, it's true. We don't live here though.
Exactly.
They're promoting for their own city.
Yeah. So in the train station now.
We're in the train station, guys.
Yeah.
We're gonna go find this place before it closes because I know they close quick early.
Yeah, yeah. So change our plan, guys. We're not gonna bother catch a train.
No, not today.
Yeah, so we're just gonna catch the tram.
Yeah.
Train and tram, so close. Yeah, so we're going over there. Yeah, man.
My hair is all mashed up, guys, because of the rain. My hair's all fuzzy.
Yeah, my area and ruffle out everything. So here we are, finally on.
Finally on the train, guys.
Yeah.
Train.
Tram. Keep mixing
So
them.
later on we can come back here and I've got the arts galleries.
Yeah. Definitely. Let me go in front. Hey, Popo. Hey, Popo. Here we go.
want to get a tram up to Elgin
Alrighty.
Street.
So guys, we just come off of the tram, and the funny thing is, the one before, yeah, that's good news. And the one that we took before, we actually got lost. We're going the opposite direction.
Now we're gonna make sure we're going the right way.
Yeah, so yeah, the African restaurant is very close by, according to Google Maps. So we're gonna walk
Check
there.
it out.
Yeah, man. So stay tuned. Trying African food for the first time.